Hello, it's Angela here from the Pattern Scribe. I'm just going to show you how to change colour into your third colour for the globe section, which I've already done a few rows from. So you've got your base background colour, which is the blue, and the silver grey I've got for the stars, and now I'm going to insert the green, which you can see clearly here is over here on the pattern. However, I'm going to change the colour around here, because when you come up to the next but one row, your colour changing does seem to pull across. So I want to make sure that I've got enough green here to reveal for the next stitches that are pulling over to the right. So I shall just pull back a few stitches here and come to my green there. As you can see, I've made a slip knot already, which is how I change my colours. So I'm going to push my hook through the back loop of the next stitch, pull through in the grey, which is the existing colour, and then I place my slip knot onto the hook and pull through and finish with the green, and then tighten up some of the tails there. What I will do next is do the next stitch in the green, so you've got a full complete stitch there, and pull the tails there. What I do next is, in the following stitches, I carry the threads through under that stitch so that it's neat and tidy on the back of your work. And that's how you continue across for this step of the globe. And then when it comes to the following section, you will have the green stitches here to be revealed as it's pulling itself across on the next section. Hopefully that's helpful.